Right now, there is a technology quietly changing money, business, and even power itself. Most people have no idea how it works. Not your bank, not your government, not even most investors. But once you understand this, you will never look at money the same way again. This is blockchain. Let me explain this in the simplest way possible. Imagine you and your friends share a notebook. Every time someone sends money, you write it down in that notebook. Now here is the twist. Everyone has a copy of that notebook, and once something is written, it can never be erased. If friend A sends $10 to friend B, everyone writes it down. Nobody can cheat. Nobody can go back and change it later. That notebook is blockchain. Now imagine taking that same idea and scaling it to millions of people around the world. People who do not know each other. People who do not trust each other. Yet they all agree on the same record. That is what makes this powerful. Now think about how money works today. When you send money, banks control it. They can block it, delay it, or charge you fees. Sometimes you wait days. Sometimes you pay a lot just to move your own money. And sometimes you do not even realize how much control they have until something goes wrong. But with blockchain, there is no middleman. No bank, no permission, no control. You are in charge of your own money. That changes the rules completely. If this already makes sense, hit like right now because it is about to get deeper. Here is how it works in a simple way. First, you make a transaction. You send money. Second, thousands of computers around the world check if that transaction is real. Third, once it is verified, it gets locked into history forever. Now imagine those computers are like witnesses, each one independently checking the truth. If most of them agree, the transaction goes through. If not, it gets rejected. This creates a system where trust is built into the process, not controlled by a single authority. Think of it like stacking blocks. Each block contains transactions. Once a block is added, it stays there forever. You cannot remove one block without breaking everything after it. That is why it is called a blockchain. Now let's go even deeper. Each block is connected to the previous one using something like a digital fingerprint. If you try to change one block, that fingerprint changes. And suddenly, everything after it no longer matches. That is how the system detects tampering. Now imagine trying to hack something like that. Not one computer, but thousands of computers all at the same time. You would have to change every copy at once. That is why blockchain is so secure. It is not impossible, but it is extremely difficult and expensive. Now let's make this real. Imagine sending $1,000 to another country. Normally, you could lose a big part of that in fees. It might take days to arrive. Sometimes it gets delayed. Sometimes it gets flagged. Now imagine sending that same money in minutes, sometimes seconds, and paying almost nothing. That is what blockchain can do. This is already happening with digital money like Bitcoin. People can send money anywhere in the world without asking permission. No bank approval, no waiting period, just direct transfer from one person to another. Now think about people who do not have access to banks. Millions of people around the world are unbanked. They cannot open accounts. They cannot send or receive money easily. Blockchain gives them access using just a phone and internet. Now think about gaming. Right now, when you buy a skin or an item, you do not really own it. The game company owns it. They can delete it anytime. They can ban your account. Everything is controlled. But with blockchain, you actually own your items. They are tied to you, not the company. You can sell them, trade them, or move them between platforms. That turns digital items into real assets. Now think about real estate. Buying a house takes paperwork, middlemen, and time. There are lawyers, agents, delays, and costs. Blockchain can make that faster and more direct. Ownership can be recorded instantly and transparently. Think about music. Artists often wait to get paid and lose a big percentage to platforms and labels. With blockchain, they can get paid directly and instantly every time their work is used. Now here is where it starts to get uncomfortable. Because blockchain is not just about money, it is about power. Right now, power sits with institutions. Banks, governments, large companies. They control systems, access, and information. They decide who gets in and who does not. They decide what is allowed and what is blocked. But blockchain shifts that power toward individuals. It removes the need to trust a central authority. Instead, trust comes from the system itself. It is not just technology, it is a shift in how control works in the world. If you are starting to see the bigger picture, subscribe right now because most people will realize this too late. But let's be real, blockchain is not perfect. Sometimes transactions are slow, some networks have high fees. It can be confusing for beginners. People make mistakes. There are scams. There is still a lot that needs to improve. There are also moments when networks get congested. Fees go up. Transactions take longer. That frustrates users. And it shows that the technology is still growing. There is also the issue of responsibility. When you control your own money, you are also responsible for it. If you lose access, there is no customer support to call. That is a big shift for people used to traditional systems. That is the truth most people do not talk about. This technology is powerful, but it is still evolving. Now imagine the future. Imagine a world where you control your money completely. No one can freeze your account. No one can block your transactions. Imagine owning your data instead of companies selling it behind the scenes. Imagine logging into apps without passwords, without giving away personal information. Imagine voting systems that are transparent and cannot be manipulated. Imagine global access to finance without barriers. That is where this is going. Now think about this. Most people ignore new technology at first. Then they doubt it. Then they slowly accept it. Then suddenly they cannot live without it. The internet went through that. Smartphones went through that. Blockchain is going through that right now. At first, people said the internet was useless. Then it became everything. The same pattern is happening again. The question is not if it will grow. The question is when and whether you understand it before everyone else. Let's go deeper. There are different types of blockchains. Some are public, where anyone can join and see everything. These are open and transparent. Others are private, controlled by companies or organizations. These are used for specific purposes like tracking data or managing systems. Each one has a different role. Each one solves different problems. There are also things called smart contracts. These are programs that run automatically when conditions are met. No middleman, no delay. Imagine hiring someone online. Instead of trusting them or a platform, the payment is locked. Once the work is delivered and verified, the money is released automatically. No arguments, no delays. Then there is decentralized finance, also called DeFi. This allows people to lend, borrow, and earn without banks. It is like building a financial system on the internet that anyone can use. You can earn interest, take loans, or trade assets directly, all without asking for permission, all without a central authority. But with opportunity comes risk. Some projects fail, some are scams, some promise more than they can deliver. That is why understanding matters more than hype. A lot of people jump in without learning. They follow trends, they chase quick money, and that is where they get hurt. The real advantage comes from understanding how it works. Now let me tell you a simple story. Imagine two people. One ignores blockchain completely. They think it is complicated. They think it is not important. They wait. The other person takes time to learn. Slowly, step by step. They understand the basics. They pay attention. Years later, everything changes. The first person is confused. They feel left behind. The second person is already comfortable, already using it, already ahead. That difference starts with learning, and that is why you are here. Because you are choosing to understand something most people ignore, and that gives you an advantage. If you made it this far, you already understand more than most people. So do this right now. Like the video, comment blockchain if it finally makes sense, and share this with someone who still does not understand. And do not forget to check the description below. I am dropping more videos that break this down even deeper.